Hello everyone, good morning. This is Selena here and it's morning. Before I go to school, I decided to share this new vocabulary with you. You might know this, but let's study, okay? Anyway, these are kanji that may be new to you, and this is read as Saigai. Yes, Saigai means disaster. So we have tsunami and flood and earthquake, Jishin. So Saigai. All right. Here's another one. Hogo sha. This means person. And hogo means or protect. But this one, we have mono as a person here. So we have hogo sha means parent and guardian. Okay, so here are the parents watching their children study at school. Hogosha, parents. This one is, do you know this? Taido. Yes, taido ga ii, taido ga warui, which means attitude. So, this one is, taido ga yokunai desu ne. Kochira no taido ga ii desu. They study well. Taido, attitude or behavior. Taido. Gimu, have you heard this? This is means obligation. Yeah. So, kokumi no gimu o shitemasu ka? Do you know the obligation of every citizen? Kokumi is citizen. Okay, let's look at it. Oh, the children has the right for education. So you are obliged to make your children study at school. Kyoiku, education. Toyo is election. Noze is paying of taxes. So that's our obligation. Gimu, obligation or duty. This one is Sotsugyo Shosho, a graduation certificate. Okay, Sotsugyo is N4 kanji, right? Okay. Look at the spelling. Sotsugyo Shosho. There's U here. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, Sotsugyo Shosho. This one is Kigen, means due date and deadline. Okay, Kigen wa 8月30日です。守ってください. So the deadline is by August 30. 守ってください. Mamoru means to protect, but in this sentence, it says to follow strictly what is being said, and that is maybe you have to submit something by August 30. Follow it, adhere to it. 守ってください. Kigen. Okay, Kigen. This kanji is, can you guess? 難しい. Yes, 難しい問題. A difficult problem. Okay, 難しい. So this math problem is so difficult. Okay, 難しい. Difficult. And this one is 複雑. Okay, which means complex or complicated. Okay, it's hard to do when it's complicated. So it's 複雑. Complicated. Difficult could also mean it. It could also mean difficult, but on a higher level because it's complicated. Okay? This one is kisoku, means rules. Kisoku o mamorimashou. Let's follow the rules before you do the swimming lesson. You shower, you exercise, and put on your swimming hat or swimming cap. Okay, so kisoku, rules and regulations. This kanji is wakai. Genki na wakai sensei. I hope that's me. Genki na, lively and young teacher. So here it is. Wakai. Okay, the opposite of wakai is old. With things, it's furui. Ne? But with people means toshi o totteru. Getting old. Wakai is young. Okay. Can you read again? Wakai. Yes. Kisoku. Fukuzatsu. Okay, there's tempting. Fukuzatsu. Muzukashi. Kigen. Okay. Are you getting it right? 卒業証書。義務。態度。保護者。災害。Alright, okay, we had 10 cards all in all. How many were you able to remember? So go over again. So we have 災害, yes, 保護者、態度、義務、卒業証書、期限、難しい、複雑、規則、若い。Okay, go over again until you remember at least 5 vocabulary. These are useful vocabulary, by the way. Okay, this is now for today, and I'll go to school now. Hear me again later. Bye.